I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and gathering data. Check the Aternos server location and note player distances, then run a local speed test to capture upload, download, and jitter. You also inspect server status, active plugins, and world size because heavy maps raise tick costs. Once done, ask players for their measured ping in milliseconds and collect logs. This first step gives you the baseline metrics and immediate suspects, so you can target the next changes without guessing. Now you modify configuration to cut tick strain, reduce view distance, and tweak entity activation ranges so distant mobs don't consume CPU. Swap to a performance fork like Paper or Purper if available, and disable or replace plugins that spike CPU. Profile with timings or Spark to find culprits. Once done, set automatic daily restarts and remove unnecessary chunk loaders or complex redstone contraptions. Make sure to back up before changes, so you can revert if latency improves. Finish by addressing network causes. Insist players use wired connections and close high-bandwidth apps, and test with a VPN or alternate ISP route to see if pathing changes lower ping. Once done, run repeated Spark or timing reports and check for packet loss with ping and traceroute. Transient spikes often point to routing or ISP congestion rather than the server itself. If high latency persists despite config and network fixes, gather logs and timing snapshots, then contact Aternos support with that evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.